Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Factory 5 Cobra, 302 power under the hood. I was just out driving it. Man, it was a blast. It is fast as lightning, and if you want to check it out, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift and we'll show you just how beautiful the underside is. We're going to take a look at that 302 making all that horsepower. We're going to look at the interior. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. So come on up and we're going to fire this Cobra up for you right now. Check this beauty out, man. Grabber blue. Ever since I was a kid, I love this color. One of my dad's buddies painted us Falcon Grabber blue, and I've been in love with it ever since. The black stripes look great. We're gonna get under that hood. I guess you guys have already looked under the hood when we fired it up. Man, that 302 is beautiful under there. Now we've got the Factory 5 knockoffs. Now those are actually fakies. That knockoff comes off, then there's lug nuts underneath there. The stainless steel side pipes, and that's where the music's coming out right there, guys. And look inside here. All the carpeting looks good, all the gauges look great. It's got the wood steering wheel, the 5-speed shifter there. It's got 4-point harness on it, which is very cool. You got your shoulder belts and your lap belt. Now you can fasten just the lap belt if you'd like. You don't have to use the shoulder belts. And it's got the dual roll bars, so your wife won't ask, why don't I get a roll bar? Every time I get in one of these things, that's what my wife asks me. And look inside there, look at all the tin work in there, beautiful. That's the battery shut off there, so you can shut your battery off easily. We got a little fire extinguisher in there. You look down the side of it, straight as an arrow, beautiful Grabber blue paint. What's cool about this is, you know what? You can go to just about any car show and you're not gonna be parked next to another Grabber blue Cobra, I guarantee you. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we've got about 220 cars in stock and we don't do any consignments. That means we own this car, so you can bet we spent the time to check it out. Now we buy about 40 new cars every month and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars, so what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. Let's go for riding the Cobra. Factory 5 here, guys. Mark IV, rebuilt 302. And I tell you what, this dude has got some power, which we'll show you. Funnest cars to drive we got. What a blast, I tell you. You want to go, this thing will go. That's why Shelby won all the races when he was driving these. Look at that, no hands, driving straight as an arrow. Sounds great, feels great, just an amazing ride here. And we can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. Call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he will tell you just how easy it is to ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got 3 bankers we're working with right now. We can set you up with about a 15-minute phone call and we can get this dream parked in your drive. Now, you can fill out that app online at vanguardmotorsales.com also, if you'd like to do that. You can quiet it down, like I said, you get it in a high gear and get those RPMs down. You don't have to make a lot of noise, but I just like showing off and I like making noise. Get turned around here and we'll take a look at the dash. All right, down here on the dash, you can see the speedo's over here. It's working, the tach's working, all the gauges are working. Now all these labels, those come off. Those are just there to help you see how to run your car when we park a stream in your drive. You see, even the horn's working. It's a sweet ride, guys. Every time I get ready to go to a car show, if there's a Cobra available, I'm in it. It's my favorite car to drive here at the shop. This little small block making a bunch of power, got a bunch of get up and go. I'll tell you what, some of these small blocks feel faster than the big blocks. Even though I prefer the big blocks, listen to this thing. Doesn't it sound amazing? And you see the acceleration? That was only about half throttle. I tell you, what an amazing car to drive. And you see, steering with one finger, no problem whatsoever. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside, and then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. So hold on, we'll go around this corner Cobra style. Even though we got this semi, we scared the shit out of this semi. Listen to this. It's an amazing ride, guys. You will have a blast with this car. We scare the UPS guy too. Stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. Check out the underside and check out what's making all that power under the hood. All right, we're underneath this Grabber Blue Factory 5 Cobra now, and man, she is clean under here. You can see it's got the protection here for your gas tank. It's got a badass Ford Racing cast cover on the 8.8 rear end. Now these bolts right here actually put some pressure on the main caps, give it some extra strength. There's right around a 373 gear in here, and it is a posi. We do have, it looks like brand new calipers on the disc brakes. It says it's Cobra Mustang brakes is what the previous owner tells us. We got brand new U-joints in the drive shaft. We got a Borg-Warner 5-speed trans in it. It does have a cable clutch on it. And look at the paint work on the frame, man. It looks brand new. All the aluminum looks brand new. All the conduit and everything run under here is nice and neat. The whole fabrication on the car, definitely done by a pro. We got brand new motor mounts here. Again, the front brakes, we got disc up here too, and everything looks brand new up here. Tubular lower and upper control arms, and those upper control arms look like they adjust in every direction. You can adjust them any way you want, man. It's gonna be real easy to set the suspension up on this. Now, it does have manual rack and pinion steering. I've already been out driving it. I drove it this morning. It's a blast to drive, guys. This thing is a hoot. It's fast as a rocket. It's sharp as hell. Super clean underneath. You'd be proud to put mirrors underneath this car so you can show it off at all the car shows. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some great looking wheels. Now these are fake knockoffs and they do a beautiful job. There's actually lug nuts underneath there. That knockoff actually comes off and that cover comes off to get you to the lug nuts. Great job. Whoever designed these wheels did a beautiful job. 245, 45, 17s, and those are stainless steel polished headers. They're looking great. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we have, let's see, somewhere on here is the size. 255, 40, 17s, and again, same good looking knockoffs. Nice and clean on the wheel wells, and right there is where the music's coming out. Let's get under the hood and see what's making the music. All right, under the hood here, we got a freshly rebuilt 302 by the previous owner. The aluminum valve covers are all polished up. The alternator's all polished up. It's got some polished pulleys on it. It does have serpentine belt setup on it. It does have manual brakes. It stops on a dime. Like I said, it's got a cable clutch, a manual rack. Everything under here is super clean. They did a beautiful job. You can see that the headers are actually jet coated until they get to the side pipes. The side pipes are stainless. Nice and neat under here, guys. It's got an Edelbrock carburetor on it and an Edelbrock intake on it. It does have an electric choke, so give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.